everyone and welcome back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 2 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love a recipe video like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious rose and honey hot chocolate. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make this delicious rose and honey hot chocolate. As Valentine's Day is on the way, I thought now was the perfect time to start making some romantic dishes for you to give to your loved ones or to give to yourself. If you're in love with yourself, that's okay with me too. Hot chocolate is a great drink to have, especially on a cold day in February, and the weather has been quite cold in the UK recently, so I thought this was a perfect one to serve to your loved ones, or as I said, to yourself. I'm going to be making this as a nice snack today, and while I was making it I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious rose and honey hot chocolate. For this recipe I have a blender, so I'm going to blend these ingredients together before I then heat them up. So I have a mug, so I'm only making this for myself today, but if you are making more then obviously you're going to need, you're going to use more mugs to the ratio and more ingredients as well. So I am making this for myself, as I said, and I'm just pouring myself a cup of oat milk. I'm using oat milk today. I'm using this one by Oatly. I really like this milk. There's no special reason really, I just really like it. I do find dairy quite heavy sometimes on my stomach, so that's why I prefer oat milk. But if you wanted to use ordinary milk for this recipe then you could. And I'm also going to use a tablespoon of raw cacao powder. You can use cocoa powder as well if you want to, but try to get the one that hasn't got any chemical nasties in it. And I'm also going to use a couple of tablespoons of rose petals for this recipe as well. I really like rose tea now. When I was younger I never really liked herbal teas, but now I love it. I bought these rose petals online, in case you were wondering. I bought a big bag of them from Amazon. I am running out, so I will need to buy myself some more. But rose tea is really nice if you want to try it, and it's also delicious with chocolate as well, I promise you. And very romantic as well. Roses are red, violets are blue. I fancy a hot chocolate. How about you? So yes. And now I'm going to add in a tablespoon of honey. I think I said 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. And I am going to blend all of these ingredients together. I have blended the ingredients until they are smooth. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this into a saucepan. So I've got a small saucepan that I've put on my hob, and I'm going to turn the heat on to high, and when it starts to sort of boil I'm then going to turn the heat down and leave it to simmer. So I'm just going to keep stirring this now until it starts to boil. So it started to come to the boil, so I'm just going to turn it down and I'm just going to leave it to simmer on the hob while I keep stirring it for a little while. It looks as though it's quite well done to me though. I'm just going to see if I can. Oh, that's very warm. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, I think I'm going to remove that from the heat now. That actually tastes like liquid Turkish delight to me. If you live in the UK, you'll know those fry bars. My nan always used to buy me like a Turkish delight covered in chocolate bar. Oh, they were so yummy, I have to say. And this really reminds me of them. This tastes honestly just like them, but melted down. It's delicious. Oh yeah, I'm off to enjoy that now. So yeah, that's that done. That's how you make my delicious hot chocolate, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be having this as a yummy snack this afternoon, and it smells and tastes so good, I can't wait. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.